Hi, in this video we're going to create a table of content with hyperlink such as this. So click on this and move to this report. So we have this report 1, right? If I just change it to report 1 and then I go to this, right? It's now go to report 2. It's no longer go to report 1, right? So we can make use of the hyperlink. And then the next question is that how do we create a list of worksheet names in this worksheet? So we're going to use the replace get job workbook, right? This code here, right? And all you need is just copy this, right? And then go to formulas, define name or the name manager, right? I'm going to delete. But let's just walk you through first, right? What is that about, right? So it's like if you have just done it, right? So right, I can just use this index followed by the sheet's name and select this value here and double click, right? I just created a list out all the sheet name in this workbook. So the way to do that is accessing this names range. So how do we access this name range? Right, I'm going to show you that. Go to name manager. Basically I have done this one, right? I just delete it and I'll just type it again. Click a new one. Over here I type in sheet names, right? All sheet names, and then here I change it to by typing replace, or you can just copy it here, right? Either way is working fine. So replace get dot workbook 115 hash get dot workbook 1 and that were good. So basically just here, right? Click OK. So now we have a name range. So what exactly this get workbook all about, right? I have no idea. Let's just give a try first, right? Okay, so it doesn't make much sense, right? Except you're using it here. So now once you have named it, right, you can use that index functions and go to all sheets name. Click on this. So you can see that there's a table of content and double click, copy this down, right? So now we have a list of worksheet name and then we can go ahead with creating the hyperlink. And you need to have a hash key. This is a hint of it. And click on this and single quote. Always link to the F1 cell if you want to, right? And then you can give it a name, right? So I can say page 1 or page and this, and I got the page 1 and then I just drag this down, right? So I can page 2, right? Okay, so that is what it's all about, right? With page 3 is this one, right? So I just want to say thank you to some of the Excel experts on the internet, right? They share this thing. And thanks for watching. I hope you learned something.